guys, it's time to upgrade my retro PC once again. Originally this build had a GeForce 2 GTS in it, but later I replaced it with a GeForce 2 Ultra. Either one of these cards is an excellent choice for a retro build, but some of my retro games required a little more powerful GPU, so I started to look for a new one. I ended up with a GeForce4 Ti4200. I have no idea what the brand of this card is, but it seems to work flawlessly, so I don't really care about the brand. My previous cards had painfully loud fans, so I decided to get a passive cooler for this one. I found this Zalman ZM80C-HP kit in an unopened box, new old stock. You know, this fan isn't as loud as in my previous cards, but still, it's a little bit too loud for me. I enjoy quiet computers. Well, that's neat. I realized I needed to recap my motherboard since the old caps started to bulge. The new ones are from Panasonic FR series. I also replaced the heatsink on the motherboard's chipset and added some thermal paste. This turned out to be completely unnecessary because this chipset barely gets lukewarm, but I did it and now it's done, so looks cool though. I should mention that I haven't overclocked my GPU, so this same solution might not be adequate for overclocked cards. Also, if you're planning to use passive coolers in your computer, make sure your case has sufficient airflow. After running 3D Mark 2001 on a loop for about an hour, there's no significant heating, and I can even hold my fingers on the heatsink for a few seconds before it feels too hot. Okay, that's it for now. There's going to be more updates and other projects in the future, so I see you later.